Hi! Welcome to the Moo Point and Happy Diwali! This is going to be our special Diwali week और आज हम करने वाले हैं Diwali trivia answer.
Exactly. Do we know Diwali to the moon and back?
यार ये सब क्या है यार, इसको देख के ना मेरे को अच्छी फीलिंग नहीं आ रही है.
I don't know. And there is only one way to find out.
शिवम!
So guys, ये आज का तुम्हारा चैलेंज और यहाँ 10 फूड आइटम कुछ नंबर्स तुम दोनों वन बाय वन वो मुझे चिट पिकअप करोगे. जो नंबर आएगा वो मेरे अपने सेंटर में रखोगे. देन उस नंबर का क्वेश्चन तुम हमें एक दूसरे से पूछोगे. अगर दूसरे ने गलत आंसर दिया तो वो डिश उसे खाना है या पीना पड़ेगा. अगर तुम सही जवाब दिया तो वो तुम्हें खाना है. तो गाइस समझ में आया?
That's a risky challenge. But first, stone, paper, scissors.
I wish I knew this one.
Stone, paper, scissors. Oh my god.
Yes! एक सेकंड लगा मुझे समझने में कि मैं जीती हूँ. मतलब कि मैं क्वेश्चन पूछूंगी.
आप चिट उठाओगे.
6.
I would happily. है क्या ये मुझसे?
वेल पीने के बाद ही पता चल जाएगा.
I feel something I could do. It's pink. What's pink?
So the question is, what is the meaning of the word Diwali, also called Deepavali?
That's an easy one. It's Festival of Lights.
I think it is Sanskrit for row of lights.
Oh my god.
Is it? Is it? Am I wrong? Is it?
It's not Festival of Lights?
The festival of light is Deepavali, but the word meaning is row of light.
My whole life has been a lie.
Same here, Neha. Yeah, go on.
ये है क्या?
पी के पता चलेगा.
Oh, it's अदरक.
हाँ, मेरा गला बैठा है, मुझे पीना चाहिए.
Okay.
So now,
It's 8. It doesn't look that bad. Give me.
It looks very bad, Neha.
In which country Diwali is celebrated by lighting the lamps which are made of banana leaves, and this festival is known as Lam Kriyong.
Hate you guys. Hate you guys. I have no idea, guys. I'm just gonna guess it completely on Thailand.
so what do you think? Yeah, what do you think?
Lam Kriyong sounds like a Thailand language word, but
That is the only thing why I based it on.
Sorry, Neha. You have to drink.
It is correct.
Agni gave the right answer.
Yes.
Oh my.
भाई बहुत difficult था ये question. ये क्या है शिवम?
do you have some problem with me? Do you not want me to live through Diwali?
Biscuit यार.
It's not. What is that?
तुझे पता होगा, मैं तो try भी ना
I
करूँ.
think that is imli ki chutney and cookie.
Yeah. I'm not doing this. Sorry.
You have to.
I did. तभी मुझे taste पता चला. Please
Okay.
excuse me.
यार ये गेम इतना डरावना क्यों है कि तुम्हें सवाल पूछने में भी डर लग रहा है. 9 guys, 9 is the. Okay, this should be easy. Looks like easy. अब इसमें
Then you drink it.
I will happily. Looks like the easiest thing here. Oh my god. What do the Sikhs commonly call Diwali?
Can I see the option?
And what do we have in the food?
Yeah, it looks like some juice.
Oh, okay.
It is Lauki ka juice. Yes.
I'll just
बहुत strong
guess
smell है.
randomly for Holla Mohalla.
Is it? You think it is the right answer?
Akriti will tell you.
I really don't know. इतना नहीं पता मेरे को दिवाली के बारे में. एक तुक्का लग गया था.
Should I drink it?
Yeah, you should drink it because it is only told me बस.
All the best नेहा.
तो नेहा, गलत नेहा,
यार
गलत.
स्मेल ज्यादा बुरी आई थी.
यार,
ये जो
why-
फीका होना चाहिए. एक घुट तो मारी लेगी.
गलत.
It's the worst.
I'm so happy करेले का नहीं था.
10th.
I'm scared. It looks like mayonnaise and thick.
It looks like Fevicol.
It does look like Fevicol too.
Diwali is a 5-day festival, right? What does the 4th day call?
Can I read them please?
मैंने सही बोला है.
हाँ बस एक बार मैं पढ़ना चाहूंगी मैं. Fourth day, first day, second day, third day, fourth day, fifth day. I know the fourth day, guys, but I don't know the official name of it.
दिवाली में 4.
I know it is अन्नकूट, जिस दिन गोवर्धन पूजा होती है. But नहीं, गोवर्धन पूजा हाँ अन्नकूट वाले दिन, ठीक है. बट अब मुझे ये नहीं पता है कि इसे कहते क्या है. So let me think about it. Okay, guys. धनतेरस तो नहीं है.
Am I the
लक्ष्मी
dumb one
पूजा
in
भी
this?
नहीं है. अब बाकी के दोनों में से क्या गैस करूं मैं? आई एम रियली कंफ्यूज्ड. ओके, छोटी दिवाली नहीं है. ओह, इट इज सी. पड़वा, बाली प्रतिपड़ा.
She's correct.
तो go with the main.
Oh shit. I'm so sorry Neha. I really did not want this to happen.
उनका सबके साथ.
वैसे चाट ले. Three. Ketchup 3.
God, please. वैसे this is not that hard.
We will find out. Nisha, we will find out.
This is not that hard. ये मैं नहीं चाहती. I want.
Oh. I think Neha, you will know this. I think.
Well, I think too.
Diwali celebrates the birth of which Indian god or goddess?
Birth?
Birth. किसका birth celebrate करता है? तू cancellation पे जा. Options cancel कर. क्या क्या नहीं हो सकता.
राम तो नहीं हो सकते क्योंकि वो तो अयोध्या से लौटे थे. अब वो जन्म से ऐसे लौटते तो बर्थ नहीं हो सकते.
और
लॉर्ड विष्णु
विष्णु तो बहुत ही पुराने हैं.
well, I give you that.
विष्णु तो राम थे. ओके, लक्ष्मी जी की पूजा होती है दिवाली के दिन. लक्ष्मी गणेश की. और वो क्यों होती है? आई हैव नो आइडिया. इज इट बिकॉज लक्ष्मी जी का बर्थ होता है? I'll go with I have nothing to lose.
That is true. I agree.
I have already lost everything. Lakshmi,
पक्का.
you tell me.
You have to go with the ketchup because you are celebrating.
Yeah, this is very unfair. She got tomato ketchup. I got these.
I'm just gonna say मुझे पसंद नहीं है.
I know, but still, it's easier than this. Go for it. पूरा. I have.
अबे चलो.
Yeah, this is wrong. She didn't even touch. That's a little exaggeration for a tomato sauce.
Yeah.
I don't like tomato sauce, guys. I don't like it ऐसे. बिल्कुल भी.
Should I? It's my turn, yeah? 4. Oh my god. What is this? Oh, it's spicy. In which southern state of India, Diwali is also known as Thalai Deepavali.
Chennai is in which place?
Oh, I won't tell you.
Chennai का है guys. I'm really suck at geography. Chennai is in Tamil Nadu, right? I will go with Tamil Nadu just because it is Thalai and I remember Thalaiva. I'm just gonna go with that. I have no other connections here.
You can't use this much of brain. Okay.
What is the answer? Tamil Nadu.
So Tamil Nadu.
This is very wrong. I need a lawyer.
I did lungi dance in my head to get this right. I'm sorry, Neha. I'm really sorry.
See, this much is only I can bear.
How was it taste like? Appreciate your experience.
She said shit.
Should I have to follow it?
Yeah, you have to follow it.
Can I try?
Yeah, you have whole thing.
No.
Please.
No. Out of curiosity and out of niceness, guys.
Oh,
I'm giving you
that's curiosity, not niceness. Aftertaste is so bad.
7.
See, this I can do. It's green and familiar.
It is your favorite.
Is it what I think it is? Oh, I like this.
Okay. According
Giving the wrong one.
to Hindu calendar, Diwali falls in this Hindu month.
I know this.
So I think you know this. Posha,
Okay, I
Ashad.
don't know this.
Kartik या Falgun.
Ashad. Ashad is something about Jada. And Jada is third. I'm trying to use my brain. But I don't know if I have any. Right. Kartik, Falgun. Okay, I'll go with Ashad.
रुक जा.
Yeah, Neha. Go for it.
क्या है आंसर?
It is Kartik.
Guys, I really want to explain कि मेरे को नहीं आता ये सब. आज पहली बार मैं ऐसे सारे सवालों के जवाब दे पा रही हूँ सही जवाब. Enjoy किया ना तूने बोला आज वाला?
It's number 2. Oh god.
यार दिखने में तो मिठाई लग रही है.
Oh, मिठाई.
खा के पता चलेगा.
I don't like. यार, you know this.
तू पूछेगी तो पता चलेगा. Do I know this?
यार, which city in United Kingdom holds the largest celebration of Diwali outside India?
I don't even need the options for this one. Lancaster.
Leicester.
Leicester.
And she didn't even need the option to say that. Do you have any shame?
तो गाइस हमें ना इस क्विज से पहले 5 मिनट का टाइम दिया गया था कि आज मैं दिवाली के बारे में क्विज करने वाले हैं और तुम्हारे पास 5 मिनट है. तुम्हें जितना पढ़ना है पढ़ लो. And in those 5 minutes, the only 2 questions I could read was the first question and this question. So, I guess luck was on my side.
है क्या ये?
Looks like Chhena toast pull.
It's salty. It's salty. यार तुम मेरे को नमक दे देते सिर्फ. क्या दिक्कत है तुम्हें? Why?
Okay, let's do this. We are down to number 1. यार मुझे सीरियसली ऐसा लग रहा है कि इसके साथ आज किस्मत का प्रॉब्लम है. Okay, what is the moon phase on Diwali night?
क्या? At this point मैं बस इसके बारे में worried हूँ. Vaccine क्या होता है?
I wish I knew it. यहाँ माइंड में काउंट करो दिन.
Okay. Oh, विजयदशमी.
ये भी नहीं कि रिसेंट से काउंट करें विजयदशमी.
विजयदशमी.
मैं 2 क्वेश्चन पहले तेरे
एक
पास.
मिनट. विजयदशमी इज दिवाली ना? दशमी यानी एक मिनट. तो एकादशी को दिवाली होती
Can
है.
I say this?
एकादशी. ओ एकादशी.
नहीं. I just want to say विजयदशमी is Dashera.
Oh man.
I'm just saying. I'm just correcting you, Neha.
Sorry.
Guys, we are not so dumb. Okay. नहीं है हम इतने dumb. आज लग रहा है आप लोगों को. It is just anxiety and peer pressure.
यार 20 दिन बाद आती है दिवाली. तो दशमी के बाद एकादशी को आती है.
अष्टमी तो उससे 2 दिन पहले हुई ना.
हाँ वही तो दशमी तो होनी चाहिए. तो अच्छा एकादशी एक. ओह.
Guys, I wish we had a time.
अष्टमी, अमावस्या या पूर्णिमा है. पूर्णिमा ही हो सकता है. पूर्णिमा.
Okay, yeah, बोल नहीं तुम. Right or wrong?
यार मेरी भी कैलकुलेशन के हिसाब से था अमावस्या या पूर्णिमा थी. Now that she said पूर्णिमा, I would say अमावस्या.
Okay. Neha, it is right. It is a Mohammed or me or no, because दिवाली पे रात में ये इसीलिए जलते हैं
क्योंकि-
क्योंकि वहाँ
है क्या ये तो खाकरा है.
ऊपर चीज है या क्या है, आपसे खा के पता चलेगा.
It's not cheese. It's not cheese.
खाना
ये मीठा है यार. सब कुछ मीठा क्यों रखा है तुमने?
बच गई, मैं तो बच गई.
Sorry. Can we move on? मैंने बहुत खा लिया please. Let me have this.
क्या हुआ? मुंह में लगा है मैम आपके.
Sorry. Please.
लास्ट चीट नेहा.
खा लेती हूँ ना मैं सीधा.
That would be fair.
Fair?
Unfair.
Really? Oh, this is pakoda. I can eat this. This I can eat. But ये अब आकृति को मिलेगा क्योंकि अच्छा है. Okay. According to Hindus, Diwali is also celebrated as Purnima, starting of Kartik month, starting of New Year, ending all the evilness. क्या क्वेश्चन है ये? क्या क्वेश्चन है ये? मेरे बारे में क्यों नहीं आया?
New Year.
Are you sure?
ये जानबूझ के गलत जवाब दे रही है.
क्यों? ये तो है आंसर.
हाँ ये. Ending all the evilness.
Really?
हाँ.
ये लिखा था डी में.
हाँ.
Okay, too late. What?
यार ये तो बहुत ही गलत बात है यार.
ओह, चारों ऑप्शंस ही सही थे.
तो all of the above तो लिखा ही नहीं सही.
Actually, it is starting of New Year.
I know, but बाकी तीनों उस दिन कर लेते हैं.
वो भी करते हैं ना. I am not wrong.
Let's
Yeah,
split this one.
Split it.
Let's split this one. यार, guys, I just realized this is pakoda, but this is frozen.
You can have it.
Okay, fine. I'll take one for the team. I hate this particular pakoda. I don't know how you knew that, but
But it's still a pakoda. Not weird thing.
guys, में तेल जमा हुआ है.
It's not at all weird.
Really? Have it.
You have it. You have this. You have this. I have the whole full course meal ready.
Guys, I hope आपकी दिवाली अच्छी जा रही हो और आपकी तैयारियां हो चुकी हो दिवाली के लिए, because हमारा तो
I'll go study now. For next year.
तो इसी के साथ साथ do like, share and subscribe our channel and comment below any new interesting challenges you guys want to see, and do check out our Instagram, which is
We at 2 point.
exactly. So check it us out. Bye.
Bye.
Happy Diwali!